So friends, these are all the marzipan. Alright friends, so these are the ingredients to make our marzipan. We have 300 grams of cashew nuts which we soaked last night. Then we have 600 grams of sugar. We have one egg which will use only the egg white. We have almond essence. We're going to use 1 to 2 drops. We have the colors of choices. You may have what colors you want, preferably red or green or whatever you like. We also have rose water for kneading the marzipan paste once it's done. We also have the forms. These are the forms. This is a rubber mold. You can use the one you have. And we're going to start cooking now. So we'll cook after we have ground cashews into a fine paste. So let's carry on with the recipe. So half of the cashew nuts are ground and they are ground to a fine paste, and this is how it looks. Now we're just mixing it. So everything is incorporated. So we have the mixer ready. Flame is on. So a spoon. So we're going to mix it and keep mixing till it starts leaving the sides. So friends, 5 minutes on and it's beginning to look like this, creamy. Alright, so it's past 20 minutes and it's beginning to leave the sides. So we are going to remove this. Alright, so this is how it looks, the marzipan mix. So what we'll do is we just leave it for some time, let it cool down. Once it's cool, we're going to start the kneading process with rose water. So our mixture has cooled down and we're trying to form it with a little bit of rose water at a time, few drops. And this
is how it's going to look soon. So it gets a smooth texture eventually, and then we can put it into the molds and make our forms.
Right, so 830 grams, that's what it's showing us. We have divided the marzipan dough into portions so we can color them as we require. And let's get ahead with the recipe. Alright friends, our marzipan dough is ready with the different colors. We have some icing sugar over here which we have sprinkled over in the mold, and let's continue. Alright friends, so our marzipan is beginning to look so nice. Let me get a closer look. We have used a variety of colors today. These are some grapes, bananas, pineapples. We also have some oldie style orange lozenges, some red strawberries, some cherries. So this is how it's looking right now, and we have tasted a couple and they are amazing, and that's how it's happening over there. So that's a mold. That's how it looks. And so friends, so friends, our marzipans are ready and they are looking gorgeous. These are all the marzipans that wifey prepared today. It took quite a long time, but the effort is worth it. So I hope you like this video and the process of making this, including the recipe and the ingredients. They are so easy. Do subscribe to my channel, and if you like the video, do give it a thumbs up. Alright, so I'll see you all again in my next video. Until then, you all take care and goodbye.